Let's be honest, nobody wakes up excited to clean the house. But what if I told you that just a few simple habits could transform your messy mornings into peaceful, organized days? Stick with me for the next few minutes, because I'm about to share some clever, time-saving home cleaning tips that actually work. And trust me, you'll want to hear the last tip. It's a game changer. First, let's talk about the power of a daily routine. Imagine waking up to a tidy room, a fresh-smelling kitchen, and not a dirty dish in sight. Sounds good, right? Start by making your bed as soon as you wake up. It takes less than a minute, but it instantly makes your room look cleaner. Next, wipe down your bathroom sink and kitchen counters every morning. Use a microfiber cloth. It traps dust and grime like magic. Now here's something you might not be doing, but should. Clean as you cook. Seriously, don't wait until after dinner when you're already tired. Rinse utensils while your food simmers, wipe spills as they happen, and put things away as you go. It makes cleanup feel almost effortless. Bonus tip: toss half a lemon and a spoon of baking soda down your garbage disposal. It'll smell amazing and stay fresh. Let's move to the floors. Whether it's dusty tiles or messy carpets, don't wait until things look bad. Vacuum high-traffic areas twice a week, and mop floors with a mix of vinegar and warm water once a week. Want that just cleaned smell? Add a few drops of lavender or lemon essential oil to the mix. Your home will smell like a spa. Okay, bathrooms. I know, no one likes cleaning them, but hear me out. Spray your shower walls right after you use them to stop soap scum in its tracks. Clean the toilet every couple of days using baking soda and vinegar. It fizzes, it's natural, and it works. Also, don't forget to wash bath mats and change your towels regularly. A fresh bathroom really sets the tone for your day. Now, here's where most people get overwhelmed: clutter. But here's the secret: it doesn't have to be perfect. Just spend 10 minutes a day putting things back in their place. Use baskets, bins, or even empty drawers to organize your stuff. And yes, let go of things you don't use anymore. A decluttered space means a decluttered mind. Still with me? Good, because here's the tip I promised earlier, and it might just change your life. Create a simple cleaning schedule. Don't try to do everything at once. Break it into small, doable chunks, like laundry on Mondays, dusting on Wednesdays, and deep cleaning once a month. When you spread it out, it's less stressful, and you'll always be one step ahead. So, here's the bottom line: a clean home isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. Just a few smart habits and a little consistency can keep your space looking great, smelling fresh, and feeling peaceful. If this helped, make sure to stay tuned, because next, we're diving into natural DIY cleaners that are cheap, safe, and smell amazing.